Good morning from Kacha something Antique Mall in Ohio. I was making my way to Medina and thought I'd stop off. I feel like I've been here before years and years ago, but I guess I'm about to find out. Let's go in and check it out. Alright, so it turns out I actually have not been here before. I thought it looked familiar. Lots of nice glass. Of course, I have limited space in my car, so I'm looking for that special something. Holy cow. This is a huge Sonala cat, and it's only $25. I think that's where we're going to start. And then what about this guy? She's cute. 14 on that one. That's a good deal. Ooh, I am super into this place. That's pretty too. Probably an import. Oh man, I love the basket with the jewels. Bohemian. Well, I can't help but notice all these cute little bone china angels. But most importantly, check out the mermaids. $10 each. That's coming with me. And then I absolutely adore this tin litho Walt Disney set. Oh my God, that's only $34. That's insane. And look at this one, the little plate. Oh my gosh. 2 crazy cat dishes. Where's the other one? This little angel bell's pretty neat. Gosh, it's only $5. That's insane. Yeah, this was a good find. I'm glad I stopped. I almost didn't because I was like, meh, I think I've been there before. And I'm making my way to another place about an hour down the road that I definitely have not been, although I don't want to jinx myself. Some really neat things in here. I'm really into this slag glass vase, though, that looks like chocolate. That's beautiful. Oh, man, and look at all their uranium. Some really good prices in here. Holy cow. That one is only $32.50 and 15% off. I'm going to need a key for that. Holy cow. All right, well, let's, actually, I think this is open. Let's see if I can reach that. Let's see what else is in here, too. Oh, gosh, that's gorgeous. Oh, and it's the glossy finish. That's a harder one to find. Kelsey bought one of these when we were in Westchester. That's a yes. And for $20, I don't think I can say no to this compote. I see some promising chalkware over here. Oh my gosh, they're happy boats. How cute. Or happy ships, I should say. That's adorable. How much do they have on those? $10 for the pair. Oh, it's got a little wear, but not that much, actually. That's adorable. I feel like I have to get those. Something about that pottery that's really interesting. I think it kind of looks like a monster. That's what the appeal is to me. Ooh, I see something. Oh my God, no way. That is gorgeous, the cased vase. It's $40 and 50% off. And it's uranium. Oh my God, that's so epic. I need a key for that. Okay, holy cow, look at this booth. This is insane. I love all the pins. Look at this. What is that? That's a weird one. The lion. And I like the little elephant with the jeweled eye. Oh man, this is awesome. The little Florida teapot with the flamingos. So cute. That's a fun one. That looks like Sarah Coventry. It's marked JJ. The roses with the ladybug. $6.50 on that. That's a great deal. And then look, little Millefiore candies. $3.50. Wow. I don't know if that's actually Murano. It doesn't look as controlled as Murano would be, but really awesome nevertheless. I love the glass seahorse necklace. And a large metal enamel brooch. Looks like that one's 10. Good deal, but again, I'm looking for that stuff, the special stuff for Black Friday and other stuff that I just haven't really picked up or excites me. Now, I do love this little bone china Siamese cat with the rhinestone eyes. That's kind of goofy. For $5, I'll take that one. I love the rhinestone eyes. So many cats. The dog is amazing. It's a bobblehead. Oh my gosh, how fun is that? This amber vase has got some attitude. Amber vase, $6. There's something about that I really like. Yeah, for $6, I'm gonna take this one. It's got a little bit of glow to it. The handles on the side makes me believe it's got some pretty good age to it. And then here, the thing that stands out to me the most is this little green glass duck. He is only $8. He's got a couple chips. I love this hat booth. And then back here, it looks like they have more purses and vintage clothing. Of course, this stands out to me the most. This apron. Oh my God, look at this shopping spree. How cute is that? How much is this one? $9. Well, that seems pretty on brand. I'm not sure how well it will do. Aprons are kind of hit or miss, but that one, that's pretty adorable. I mean, the graphic on it alone is worth it. All right, looks like they have 2 levels. Headed downstairs now. Gosh, this place is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I think I'm gonna start this way. I see something pretty amazing. I see a Christ set with my name on it, and I also see little Miss Muffet. First off is the Christ set. 11 pieces, $40. Holy cow. Look at this. This is amazing. Oh my God. The sugar and creamer. That's gonna come with me. I have to figure out how to get that up. And then look here. Nap goes the 3 Bears Goldilocks. Little Miss Muffet planter. Is that Little Red Riding Hood, or it may be supposed to be? The actual ones that are marked with the storybook are definitely worth more. I think I'm gonna take all of this. I need to find some type of vessel to start carrying things up. I turned around thinking I was gonna find a basket, and I actually found something that I am beelining towards. Holy cow. $95. Carlo Moretti Circus Tent Apothecary. And holy cow, look at this Talavera sun. It's Tanala Facing the Sun artist signed. Holy cow, is that Ken Edwards? I don't know which one that is. I'm not that familiar. But this is amazing. Yeah, this is gonna be my workout of the day for sure. 25 on that. Oh man, it's hard to walk away from that jar. I don't need it for that price though. Need to find some type of thing to start carrying all that Christ up with, but in the meantime, I'm very distracted by everything happening around me. My gosh. Super cute cookie jar. Little elf planter. It's only $12. That's a really pretty carnival glass bowl. Some music boxes, trinket boxes. I love the little enameled frog trinket box. This one's really pretty, that Hollywood Regency style, 38 on that. And holy cow, look at this pink Cambridge bud vase. That's so badass. And I love the pink and black. Whew, man, the candle holders are so awesome. 25 on those. This is fun. This looks like 1970s maybe. No, maybe not actually. That's newer than that. And this is 20% off in here. A little Bluebird of Happiness. This is an interesting... That is strange, isn't it? I like the yellow. It's unexpected. Oh, wow. What a day, and it's just begun. Oh, and look, glass owl, $20. Mosser. Ooh, look at this check. That's pretty badass. And then the Ken Edwards birds, 38 for the pair and 20% off. That's a great deal. Oh, how much is this Cambridge? I feel like that might be a little close. 28, 20% off. I feel like those don't sell for as much as you would think. I'm also very distracted by this. Oh my gosh, I feel like my friend Christina would love this. What a strange head. The little pig pull toy. Oh, I found a basket. Perfect. Now if I could only find a bathroom. I like low-key stopped here to pee. Oh, wow, that surprised me. And $29 on the McCoy Bank and a blue dot, so 20% off. That's a deal. Sorry for the overshare, but that's true. I almost didn't come here. I was trying to go to the place I had never been before. Holy cow, look at this giant German bisque doll. I don't see a price on this, but the prices here are so reasonable. I love Armand Marcel. Let's see if I can find a price on that. This is so great. What in the world is this pig thing? Well, while I was gathering the Christ set and figuring out which storybook ones I want to take, I saw this. Holy cow. Italian. Oh, wow. That's really special. And it's only $15. That is definitely coming with me. That might be hard to get rid of. And then look at what oh, that's locked. But look at what I just came across. The Millefiore glass bracelets. These are $10 a pop. I'm gonna have to get in there. And then I'm also curious what this is with the lady on it. Where were we? This is McCoy Smiley Face Bank, $25. That's kind of a no-brainer, especially in that condition. I'll take that. And check out these salt and pepper shakers. You got a Christmas cat, $8. I'll take those. Those will go in my Christmas sale on Black Friday. And they're Joseph Originals. I've never even seen those before. Now, I see something worth a bunch of money. I'm going to wonder if there's another one or if this is just a single. These are so hard to find. $30 and they know it. Oh, no, wait. Hold on. It is the pair. Salt and pepper. Lenny Lennox. This is like a $85 set of salt and pepper shakers. Hard to find, especially in this condition. Man, that's amazing. I've only even ever seen them once, and I was in Abilene, Texas, and I saw them, and I was like, there's something that looks really interesting about those. And sure enough, these are not the ones I saw, though. The ones I saw were made in Japan in ceramic. 1950 Lennox Turnus Company. I'm kind of into them, though. I don't think I'm going to leave those. I think those are really special. I'm going to go ahead and pay up for these because they're different and they're just special. That's what we're looking for, right? And more salt and pepper shakers. A lot of really fun ones. I love the purple cows. Those ones are only $7. Thames, Japan. For $7. In pretty decent condition. I'll get those purple cows. They're usually pretty popular. I try to spread out when I pick them up and which ones I pick up, but it's been a while. And whenever I do shop-alongs, they're always something people ask for. A little Winking Santa mini mug hiding out here. $8 on that. Got some paint loss, but that's a good price. Nice little Fenton Bud vase there. Uranium, $25. Now I'm starting to get cheap. I wonder if there's a discount I'm not seeing. I'm also curious about the Viking up there because the prices are so good. That one's only $47. I'm trying to stay away from the swungs, though. $25, that's a good deal. Let me rephrase that. I'm trying to stay away from the swungs unless they're cheap. Which $47 is a great deal, but for a collector, maybe not as much room as I'd like. $25. Yeah, I think I'll take this one. That's really pretty, especially with the frit. A lot going on back here as well. There's all kinds of fun buttons and notions. Like I said, I'm kind of on a mission to get on the road, and a bit overwhelmed at this unexpected stop. I like the little rooster. And what is that, Portuguese? Yeah, that's got to be Portuguese. So cute. Looks like Italian, but it's definitely Portuguese. Or maybe not Portuguese. It's definitely not Italian. There's another one. Israeli, maybe. Maybe it's probably Israeli. And got a beautiful green Blanco water bottle there. God, that's gorgeous. Everybody hold your breath. Here is the cat. I want this. $40. Dang. I don't know if I can do 40 for resale. That's a bit wild. It's really fun though. It's probably about what that would go for retail. Damn, that's so epic though. Okay, let's see what's going on with this black cat. This is pretty awesome too. 15 on that one. Coal cat. It's a cool coal cat. For $15, I'll take that one. And what's hiding down here? Some Siamese ones. I'm really just kind of messed up over this. I don't think I could get away with that though. For resale. I really want to. And then back here, see this fun mouse bank. Italy. It's got some damage on the back though. Love this color pottery. And this one's different too. What's going on here? IKEA. God, I love IKEA. I don't care. Let's see what's going on here. Well, I see the 5-finger. The 5-finger's only 20. That Fenton is gorgeous. That's only 50. I actually feel like that's totally reasonable. This pink one is nice. That one's 10. Let me move back, make sure there's no discount I'm missing. Also, Fenton cat, $25. I'll take that. This has been an expensive trip. $10 on the box? What? No way. That's gorgeous. The iridescence on that is everything. I'll take that for 10. And then this booth says... oh, that was reading something different. This is a nice Tanola. $5. It's got a little damage on the base there. It's fun though. Also noteworthy is whatever the heck this is. What is happening here? $5. Clown riding a turtle. Well, that's just important. For $5, we're gonna take that. And more cats. Salt and peppers, $16 on those. I actually think those are in pretty decent condition. Let me step back and look for a discount sign. Yeah, those are pretty epic. It's a little bit more than I'd like to have invested, considering I've had them before, and they've got a couple spots of damage. Yeah, I'm a little... They're awesome, but I want to be super thrifty today. It's only my first stop. See a little pocket with World's Fair salt and pepper shakers. $15 each. That's still a good deal for a collector. A little close for me. Well, this Fenton cat has a spot of damage I didn't see, so I ended up putting that one back. But then over here, I totally missed this epic little dog planter. French Bulldog in a blue, $10. Well, there you go. He's coming with us. And then the other thing I missed was on the back of one of these cows. They had a spot, so I'm putting those back as well. I'm curious to see what my total is, because there's a couple other things I wanted to grab, but I felt like I was getting up there. And like I said, I want to space my spending, because this is only my first stop on the way home. Well, I spent $401 in there. I went back and I grabbed all of the storybook and nursery rhyme planters. I'm ready to go on the road. It looks like a huge storm is coming, and of course it is. It's me.